अच्छा ये कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, you're looking like a fucking Rajput bride. I will put you on a fucking camel and I'll shoot guns in the air. Alright? Cock your fucking hole then. Now, how do I look? It seems good. Shut your mouth. You're looking nice.
बीट पे है बांसुरी चालू रास लीला ब्रेन डेड बुला पास पे ही भेजा फटेगा रेंज चेक देता मेट तो क्या चाली चलेगा बेन गेन करे वेट क्योंकि आखिरी महीना.
But Rohan, in case you do lose tonight, what are you going to do to me? I mean, what are you going to give me?
What are you going to do when zombie apocalypse happen?
Don't worry about that.
Like he's saying like an unlikely scenario which is never likely
ever happen.
Yeah.
So he's telling you that, Niladri.
Yeah. Glad you got that joke. So Niladri sir is not getting the trophy and the joke.
Alright, here we go. Welcome to yet another Normies episode. This is I've lost count. Normies
20th episode.
Oh, we've got 20th episode.
20th episode. Silver Jubilee coming in 5 more.
5 or 7 weeks, let's say. In 7 weeks, we'll go for a Silver Jubilee episode.
Yeah.
Alright. Today we are reacting to moments on internet. How to explain this? So simply explain kare to these are mysterious moments that have been caught on camera. However, they are things which divide the internet in terms of opinion. Things which always like ये क्या हुआ, ये क्या हो रहा है, is it real, is it fake, ये क्या है, is this really something that we don't know about? All of these moments are there.
Very passionate.
All of these moments.
We had a passionate moment there.
So all of these moments are there in the video today. We've got 2.
You got lost in that explanation. ना? थोड़ा गुम हो गए थे ना?
नहीं, I'm just trying to explain passionately.
तो हाँ.
See, this is
वही नहीं है. कभी किसी को पता ही नहीं चला कि कैसे.
It was not orgasmic. Making everything orgasmic.
That's what she said.
That's what she said about sex itself. It is not orgasmic. Alright, listen. No, the point is radio में अगर आप कुछ समझाना चाहते हो जनता को तो आप ज़्यादा expression के साथ बोलते हो ना. So probably that came in. 2 normies. We've got Niladri Bose wearing a
The brand new normie.
Niladri Bose.
Niladri Bros.
That's a nice name, Bros.
Like
if that's your rapper name.
Now you're a Dree, ठीक है?
Yeah.
And if you find an Eminem or Easy, you can call yourself Niladri Bros.
Oh!
Very nice.
Nice.
But what would your rapper name be?
Dr. Dre.
No. MC Pintu.
पिंटू किसी को पता भी नहीं था कि पिंटू आपका घर का किसी को नहीं
And then Rohan now.
पिंटू
Rohan.
Rohan, the MC Katri Gupe. That's Rohan, whose channel it is. As second normie, Rohan won the last episode against me, 6-4. अच्छा आज बिफोर द एपिसोड नीलाद्री और रोहन के बीच में क्या होता है कि एवरी टाइम रोहन डज शिट टॉकिंग टू नीलाद्री, मैं जीतूंगा, आपको हराऊंगा, ऐसा तबाह कर दूंगा, डिस्ट्रॉय कर दूंगा, आपका घर छीन लूंगा मैं, ऐसा करके कुछ भी बोलता है. आज द ऑपोजिट इज हैपनिंग. आज नीलाद्री इज शिट टॉकिंग रोहन एंड दैट्स बीन हैपनिंग फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम. सो विल सी. आज के जो सवाल है, आज के जो वीडियोस है नीलाद्री, दीज आर नॉट, लुक एट मी, आई एम टॉकिंग.
Sorry.
नो, आज के जो सवाल है, जो वीडियोस है, दोज आर नॉट योर लाइक आपके वीक पॉइंट्स नहीं है कि गेस करो कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, कि गेस करो कितने व्यूज है. नॉट दैट. डिफरेंट, थोड़ा सब्जेक्टिव आंसर्स हो सकते हैं. दीज आर मिस्टीरियस वीडियोस ऑन द इंटरनेट. शुड वी गो अहेड?
जीतेंगे क्या पहले बताओ.
Oh yeah. We've got Coorg Baimbalipada.
That's bamboo shoot pickle.
Bamboo shoot.
Dude, if I'm going to lose this, but I'm on that pickle.
अब हर बार कैसे यहाँ बार्गेन कैसे करने लग जाते
यार दे दो ना यार. Come on man.
But no, अगर आज मैं जीता या कोई भी जीता तो we'll have the second product right here.
What is that?
Okay, the second product
Is
is
cashew rocks.
cashew
Whoa.
rocks. So क्या है इसमें? आप इतना खुश हो गए?
It's chocolate.
हाँ, okay. बाप रे.
It's chocolate.
You're behaving like a 5-year-old kid. Cashew rocks is losing his shit, tearing apart his shirt and all like a 5-year-old does. No. Fucking
Well,
mom
that's what Taste of Cood does to you.
You tear apart your shirt. And if there is somebody with you, you tear apart theirs as well. Taste of Coorg. Taste करके देखो.
How does he always make it sound like it's a Raj Kundra company? हर बार कैसे यार?
Oh God.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go with video number 1. What is happening?
What? Okay.
Alright, these are called ghost car accidents. बहुत ही कम ऐसे videos आपको मिलेंगे इंटरनेट पर, but these are eerie as fuck.
Okay.
Cars seemingly coming across an obstacle and they're colliding into it, and they can't see it. We can't see it on CCTV cameras. And these are not like ऐसा normal touch हुआ है. You can see the cars are like badly mangled and damaged. So what do you think about this? क्या हो रहा है इधर?
I saw a similar video like this where I don't know which country, I'm just guessing it's Brazil, so please forgive me if I'm wrong, but a couple of people got on a hot air balloon and the hot air balloon ascended, and as it was going up, the balloon just burst and the entire carriage just crashed to the ground. And when they saw the video, they didn't have infrared, so they couldn't actually check whether something collided with it. But with whatever technology they had, it looked like they collided with something, and that collision is kind of unknown. You know what I'm saying? So if this car is banging against something, you're not able to see it. But I'm definitely sure that if you have devices like infrared or night vision will not cut it, but infrared or something more powerful, you would actually be able to know what they actually collided with.
मुझे लगता है कि ये edited videos हैं.
The last one.
नहीं, all the videos. I'll tell you why.
The last one
because
looked.
most of the videos में, although सामने कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन most of the videos में collide होने से पहले आपको कार इधर जाती हुई नजर आएगी, as if कुछ सामने.
And the last video.
So maybe
also,
they're seeing something.
No, and the last video also had like kind of. I don't know whether we can watch the part of the last video, but
you can.
We can just the last part of the video.
We'll watch थोड़ा सा क्या.
Last.
Wait. ये देखो, ये जब आई ना उससे पहले ही वो लेफ्ट मुड़ रही थी.
दिखायो.
ये देखो.
हाँ.
Why would it वो लेफ्ट क्यों मुड़ेगी? ठीक है.
नहीं, लेफ्ट नहीं मुड़ रही थी यार.
Of course लेफ्ट मुड़ रही थी. इसके टायर लेफ्ट पे जा रहे थे. रुक जाओ.
दिखायो.
But how will you edit like that?
You can obviously edit it.
Yeah,
last वाले दिखाओ.
Frame by frame edit कर
Last
सकते हो
वाला
यार.
दिखाओ.
Last वाले दिखाओ.
ये देखो.
हाँ, वो right या
Right here and then टक्कर.
हाँ तो what's wrong with that?
तो आप जा रहे हो वैसे and आपको एकदम से सामने यहाँ से कोई रेड लाइट जंप करता हुआ मिल जाता है. What will you do? You'll first try to turn your car away, ना?
But how do you know that person in that jeep is able to see that person who's trying to deflect? It could be a supernatural force.
Correct. अगर नहीं देखता तो सीधा जाता ना.
हाँ.
कुछ देखा इसलिए तो राइड कर रहा है. That's what Rohan is saying.
एक
second. Are you saying it's edited or are you saying it's real?
Edited. This is definitely edited. This is just for fucking creating
second, you
curiosity.
started
थोड़ी देर पहले तो आप justify कर रहे थे.
हाँ.
No. This is edited. I kept telling you, show me the last video. Show me the last video. आपने नहीं दिखाया ना? You're saying left, right, all that.
Bang his head against that.
आपका
100%
edit.
So जिससे टकरा रही है गाड़ी वो edit हो जाता है part. That's my guess.
Absolutely must. Absolutely.
नीलादी सर ने देखा किसकी थ्योरी थोड़ी बिलीवेबल है, वो मेरी तो बिल्कुल भी बिलीवेबल नहीं लग रही है. तो फटाफट रोहन के बैंड वैगन में फटाफट
मैंने क्या बोला? लास्ट वीडियो दिखाओ.
आपने बोला वो बलून में गुब्बारे में ऊपर लोग गए थे तो
यार.
Alright, go to extra now.
क्या बोला था मैंने?
Yeah. But how did they do it, yeah?
एडिट नीलाद्री सर इतने बढ़िया है ना अभी तो. ये देखो थोड़ा लेफ्ट को टर्न हो रहा था वो.
वही मैं लास्ट वाला देखना चाहता हूँ.
ये तो सब रखा है कि नहीं मैंने.
देखी नहीं. Nice.
Nice.
All right, so these videos were put by a guy called Donato Samson. He is I think he was a graphic designer. He was into animation and all of that, and he's also a director. He's associated with the movie industry for putting this out on YouTube, which went viral, saying that at ghost car accidents and all. He won an award from his country's the movie industry, saying
अरे,
outstanding editing के लिए.
हमारे में तो आना चाहिए. WhatsApp पे तो इतने एडिट करके भी घूमते हैं लोग. हमारे
लेकिन ये different level of editing है यार. कैसे सब हटा दिया. It looks like at one glance, if you don't observe it carefully, it looks like यार
हाँ.
कुछ.
It's conspiracy.
हाँ.
Yeah, absolutely.
मेरा तो मैं चेक ही नहीं करता. मेरे को ऐसा भूत दिखता मेरा गाड़ी हो तो मैं अगले दिन से गाड़ी चलाना बंद कर देगा. कौन चाहता है fucking
ऐसे गाड़ी में टकराओ, पीछे नहीं देखना. पीछे देखने से भूत पीछे पड़ जाता है. वो बुलाएगा, मेरा नाम पुकारेगा, लेकिन पीछे नहीं देखना.
मेरे को तो अभी कोई भी पीछे से बुलाए 3 बार से पहले मैं सुनता ही नहीं हूँ. क्योंकि मम्मी ने बचपन से बोला था. बंगाली में कहते हैं उसको निशी मतलब प्रेत आत्मा ही हुआ. अपेरेंटली आपको 3 बार बुलाती है. 3 बार अगर आप नहीं पलटो, या हाँ ऐसा 3 बार नहीं पलटो तो वो
आत्मा लोगों को हार्ड टू गेट लड़के पसंद नहीं है.
हाँ 3 बार बुलाएंगे.
Easy.
सुनना है सुनो.
हुकअप वाले एकदम फटाफट आओ.
आजकल डेटिंग भी यही सीन है. मैक्सिमम 2 से 3 मैसेज, उसके बाद नहीं करो, fuck off. I'll move on to somebody else. The question that I have for you, since both of you came to the same conclusion, I was about to give Rohan 1 point, but since you agreed with him on this, both of you get either no points or 1 point. We'll see.
I said it was VFX'd.
That Rohan also did.
Yeah, but I was the first person to say it.
No.
If you look at the video, that this is definitely a VFX job.
You were the second person among 2 people, and also by far. It's like Usain Bolt ran a race.
I
with,
first made you believe. I showed you the.
if it was a race
Check
of,
the visuals. Check
I,
the visuals.
I will place it right here.
Yeah. Let's not cheat in front of the audience. We are friends, it's okay, but they also should be our friends.
Okay.
And they'll start being my
I'll
friends.
tell you what,
more.
Niladri, I'll tell you what. If this was a race of who said that if it was a VFX first, it's like an Olympic race between 2 individuals. One is Usain Bolt, the other is Enzama Mulhaq. You, being the Pakistani captain here, ex-Pakistan captain. The question that I have for you is Donato Samson, who made this video when it went viral, I think 2017 or 2015 में आया था ये video. Which country does he belong to?
एक और बार नाम बताओ.
Donato Samson.
संजू सैमसन, तमिलनाडु. Take, write it down.
Right, you go for it first.
हाँ. Tamil Nadu, you write it. All right, we'll start with Rohan.
Sweden.
Okay, you.
Ukraine.
None of these. We will keep it at 1-1 since both of you predicted it right. Of
0-0.
what exactly. No, 1-1. Both of you. Your score will look a little respectable that way. है ना? Niladri.
Backhanded insults over here.
All right.
Country.
Country is Italy. He's an Italian.
Oh shit.
What is that? Just in.
Sanju Samson.
तो
I know he's Malayali.
You could have just said Sushil Kumar for that matter. It means nothing. Nothing. Oh fuck Italy, Sushil Kumar. What? He went to Italy for competing in one of the wrestling competitions. Acha, we'll go to the second video.
Parou, tipo um assalto e tchau.
Tem carro atrás, não tem não? Porra, mano, que maré, hein?
So there are multiple videos on internet where people claim that they have seen zombies or they have seen zombie behavior from people in that area. Now, a lot of these can be videos which are just actors made to do some shit so that they get views online. However, this video, the first video especially, what I did cut out was you can see police officers standing there. Police officers were standing in the car. जिसके पीछे एक police car खड़ी थी. The van she was in, I don't know if that belongs to the cops or not. But I cut out थोड़ा सा footage. So the first one was not an acting video, legitimate cops
No,
थे
no, I
उसमें.
know, yeah, I know.
The second one was also a legitimate video where this guy is
Absolutely,
trying to
absolutely.
break into the bus with his head,
Head.
and he's
No, no,
going back
yeah.
and just jumping into the air.
Hi, crazy.
These are called zombie videos on internet. And what do you think is happening here? What are your takes on this?
कोई ना कोई ड्रग होगा, ये आजकल तो ऐसे बहुत लोग मिक्स करके ट्राई करते हैं.
This can't be the question, by the way. ऐसे.
अच्छा नहीं, मैं बता रहा
हाँ.
हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोग आजकल ड्रग मिक्स करके कंज्यूम करते हैं. आजकल नहीं, बहुत पहले से. तो मे बी कुछ, क्योंकि अगर आपने केमिस्ट्री स्टडी नहीं करी, उसके बारे में पढ़ा नहीं और ऐ भी मिक्स कर दिया, तो मे बी दिस कुड बी द रिजल्ट.
Zombie-like behavior.
ज़ॉम्बी लाइक बिहेवियर आपको कितना, कब, क्या पता कब तक हुआ होगा, क्या पता 12 घंटे में ठीक हो गया हो, क्या पता परमानेंट
हाँ,
मेंटल.
I mean, हाँ, we are expecting अगर है तो शायद जल्दी ठीक हो गया होगा ना, नहीं तो we are all fucked. But zombies ऐसे behavior होता है drugs से.
आई एम गेसिंग, मेरे को नहीं पता, लेकिन आई एम गेसिंग कि होता ही होगा जब, और देयर इज नो पॉसिबल एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर दिस. और क्या हो सकता है?
और क्या, आपको क्या लगता है निराल जी?
Okay, so here's the deal, right? So there is something called the DMT, okay, which you pull out from the dead body of any human, man, woman, child, and you inject that into your body. It comes as a concentrate, and it gets you on a 6-minute high. 6 to 4 minute, I think. I'm not too sure about the time. I'm sure the YouTubers who are watching this will comment exactly how many minutes, but you will be a fucking freak.
DMT ये
for-
वही है ना जो रोगन का फेवरेट, जो मतलब मीम बनते हैं कि
पता
he
नहीं मुझे
repeats
वो.
all-
लेकिन isn't DMT also there in plants, in a certain plant, ऐसा कुछ है ना?
No, I don't know about that. It could be, but the most potent of it is in the human body. So when you do have a jab of DMT, you will behave like this.
So again, so the idea is कि you are also going on the drugs theory.
It's not drugs. It's very immuno. It's inside your
Yeah,
body.
it's a drug, no? It's a concentrated form है आपके body
No,
में.
it's coming out of your body, so you can't.
Achha.
You're not a chemical factory, so that you can't actually call yourself that. Anything coming out of your body is a drug. But if you're getting something from somewhere else and it's chemicalized, then you could consider it as a drug. But if it's coming out of your body, how could you say that? Because you're a biological phenomenon. You've been actually born with
Right,
the
but it's
union
still chemicals.
of
There are chemicals inside our body that body produces.
No, there is chemicals, obviously, because of the union of the sperm and the egg.
Eliza, the definition of drug is nothing what you're stating here. Definition of drug is ऐसा कि जिसके consumption पे आपको psychologically एक different experience होता है from your normal reality. अब कॉफी में जो कैफीन होता है, that is also classified as a drug.
Fair enough.
है ना? तो even उस logic से this is also a drug.
So then, what do you say? You think chicken curry is also a drug if it's cooked well?
But psychologically कहाँ effect होता है आपको chicken curry से? Unless you're having from
Unless
some
you-
very bad shop in Manerghatta.
No, you're having a good chicken curry and a good rumali roti, and you start swaying, and you're really enjoying the food. You're enjoying it.
That means तो यार उस तरह तो everything is a that मारो
This painting behind you is a drug because I've seen you enjoying like this.
Yeah, that way if you're eating curd rice, you're like, oh, fuck. Oh, बहुत भर गया. That is a drug. He's the druggist. Influence of alcohol. He's under the influence of curd rice. Arrest him.
Everything is ecstasy if you want to take it in that way. Your
अरे,
job,
सदगुरु, ऐसे नहीं यार, normal definition पूछा आपसे.
Sadhguru.
यार आप
भी बोल
किताब
रहे हैं
पढ़ते
यार.
पढ़ते बहुत concentrate कर रहे हो किताब में, आप बोलोगे drug. Arrest him for the.
Listen, this is totally DMT. and
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलो.
I'm sure that the comments which will come will.
All right, so this was not the question, but Rohan was closer to the truth than you are. This is a combination of two drugs. Which two drugs is difficult to say. Heroin is probably involved in that, along with either cocaine or amphetamine and metafine, something.
Methamphetamine.
So this drug is called Flakka, Flakka, Flakka or Flakka, how is
Yeah,
it?
Flakka, I know. It's
Alright.
the same as DMT. It's got different names in different parts
No,
of
it's
the
not,
world.
it's not.
It's got different names in different. You act crazy when you
I
do
told
this.
you, I read the WHO या medical कोई journal का, मैं पढ़ रहा था कि
They
Flakka
will
क्या
not acknowledge.
है. तो अलग ही conspiracy theory.
They will not acknowledge. I'm sorry. They will not acknowledge rogue chemical compounds which become drug. For the WHO, it's marijuana, heroin, cocaine, methamphetamine, meth.
So they are saying so hold on, let me get you straight.
Have you known about? Have you ever come across this word called ayahuasca?
Yes, that is DMT का थोड़ा different version.
It's a different version. What these guys are doing is definitely not ayahuasca. Ayahuasca is 3 days. You'll
आप करके
puke and
देखो,
all that.
आप करके देखो, आप करके देखो, उसके बाद ही पता चलेगा.
Ayahuasca, you have to go to Peru for
No,
that.
ये जो फ्लैका है, फ्लैका करके देखो.
I know this because बहुत सारे rappers
Yeah.
ऐसे mix करने की वजह से मरे. That Wu-Tang Clan का old dirty bastard करके एक rapper था.
Wu-Tang Clan. No, but coming from guys.
It's
who
not,
just-
no, you can't, you don't have any proof, nothing to go on. You say that medical journal गलत बोल रहा है. They are saying ये खराब है, इसको मत लो, this will cause that, this will cause erratic behavior, it affects this thing. लेकिन DMT नहीं बोलेंगे, हम कुछ और बोल देंगे. Why? ऐसे just like that, guys.
हाँ, question board.
Alright, the question is, the first video especially, second video I'm not that sure. The first video, the lady is in which country? I intentionally did not show you the video, I mean the footage of the police, not that उससे पता चलता, लेकिन आप अगर चाहिए तो वीडियो चला के लैंग्वेज सुन सकते हैं, उससे अगर गेस लगा सकते हैं तो गेस लगाइए.
Spain.
Okay, you?
Romania.
None of you are right.
एक और guess ले ले क्या?
Okay, go ahead.
एक और लिख ले. Russia.
You?
Venezuela.
No, though you were closer. It's Brazil actually. It's Brazil. No, but you don't get it.
I'm closer to
तो
Venezuela.
geographically मेरे को नहीं कर रहा.
Russia and Venezuela is. What the fuck?
अगर फर्स्ट में मैं ऐसे ही जाता
हाँ.
स्पेन और इसमें यूक्रेन में that way Rohan would have won
हाँ.
probably. I don't have to check the distance.
या नहीं मैं ही जीता हूँ.
Balls.
अरे
you
यूरोप से South
जीता
America.
कोई नहीं है इसमें.
हाँ.
Nobody's won.
So 2-2.
No, it's 1-1.
Sluggish start to your crazy
If that is
win.
sluggish, then where are you at?
Yeah, I'm at
Alright, this is
1-1 with you.
this is
brother.
one of the most eerie videos.
Okay.
Video number 3. Let's go for it.
हाँ, मैंने देखा ये.
Ui.
Yeah, yeah.
मैं सवाल भी नहीं पूछा नहीं था. You can't write anything without me asking the question. Nothing Niladri wrote. Fucking nothing. You saw how she is standing at the end.
Scary.
She's
shit.
standing on
इंटरनेट खत्म है, ग्लिच हो गया उसकी लाइफ.
यार वो ब्रांच वांच पे ऐसे खड़ी है.
हाँ.
हाई पॉइंट पे जाकर how can a human being stand on a branch like this?
Pilates.
Nice. तो एक ना
And
hidden joke है इसमें.
for everybody who's
No,
teaching
no, no.
Pilates, you know, you can
Shout
stand
out to you
up
guys.
front.
Shout out.
Okay, moving on. So what do you think? क्या होगा? So but it's fucking weird. How you can?
यार उसका ना
like वो ऐसे.
वाइटनेस बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. शाइन का फेस पे रेड लाइट आ रही है. ओ सॉरी, वो फेस रेड हो गया क्या? सॉरी यार, पता नहीं चला. सॉरी, मेरी गलती है.
Okay, we'll move on now.
I'm seeing his reaction right here on the camera. All right, yeah, go for it. Yeah.
So what the hell is happening there? That's the question. Apart from fucking Pilates, which you said as an answer, I don't think the lady is.
मेरे को बता.
No, go.
नहीं पता.
Is it a
नहीं,
fake
आप
आप
video?
मेरे से कॉपी कर ले कोई ना.
Is it a fake video? Is it a real video? Is it?
It's definitely a controversial video. Two
That's like a political speak.
two stepdaughters were found in a paddy field, killed, and the mother was searching for those two stepdaughters.
So she went to the high point of the village and started looking for it.
कहाँ हो? नजर तो नहीं आती.
मैं कह रहा हूँ, it happened in Orissa.
Rohan, what is your theory?
Orissa.
मैं क्या वेरी गुड, यू नाइसली हैव रिटन. मैं कहता हूँ कि ये रियल वीडियो है.
रियल वीडियो तो नीलाद्री भी एग्री कर रहा है.
मतलब ये कुछ अपने गांव में पॉपुलर होगी इस सब चीजों के लिए. मतलब
पेड़ पे खड़ी हो सकती
कि
है.
नहीं जैसे कुछ होते नहीं है जो मतलब कहते हैं मानो या ना मानो में आ जाते हैं कि मेरे से देखो चुंबक की तरह हूं मैं, मेरे स्पून चिपक
So
जाते हैं.
she claims that she has mata
हाँ,
abilities.
मतलब नहीं, मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा
She's not like a chudail. She's not branded
No,
in
no,
the village
She
like a
just
chudail.
she just fucking climbs trees. That's what he's saying.
हाँ,
Vaishnav.
that is my answer.
Mowgli of Orissa.
Yeah, Brinda on the banyan. It's like she just fucking climbs the banyan tree and hangs on to the pods. and people make fucking videos of her, and we have to react to this.
या
Yeah.
क्या आंसर है इसका यार?
आइडिया वाज दैट द लेडी मानसिक तौर पे शायद थोड़ी सी वीक है, बीमार है, एंड आई स्टिल हैव नो एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ हाउ शी स्टैंडिंग ऑन द ट्रीज लाइक दैट विद बोथ आर, ऐसा भी नहीं पकड़ के खड़ी है, बोथ आर हैंड्स लाइक दिस एंड ऑल, हैव नो एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर दैट. अपेरेंटली इसके घर पे झगड़ा वगड़ा हुआ था तो गुस्सा होके पेड़ पे चढ़ गई वो. सो आई थिंक द लास्ट में जो आया था उसका फैमिली
She's high on greens.
She's high on greens. Yeah.
It's a good one. It's a good one.
But the question I had planned for you has already been answered by Niladri.
क्यों?
But since you didn't get a chance to answer it, I can't take your answer. The question was which language is that? ये कहाँ हुआ था?
Udia.
Correct.
तो
But
आपने बोल दिया, मैं भी उड़िया से एग्री करता हूँ.
Balls, you fucking Udia.
Absolutely, मैंने
Balls.
देखा, मैंने बोला वो.
Balls.
मैंने तो
See, if
कभी
I
भी नहीं
give-
बोला कि ये.
if I give this point because Niladri ने एक सवाल पूछने से पहले जवाब लिख भी
हाँ.
लिया था. However, Rohan didn't get an opportunity to answer it.
हाँ.
You can't do this to me.
I can.
He's the host, so that's his only power.
Holy shit, I'm hosting the next fucking normies, for fuck's sakes.
यार रोहन, it's not fair. रोहन को चांस ही नहीं मिला.
Yeah.
I have seen this video.
Yeah, मैंने भी देखा था.
You haven't, Rohan.
मैंने भी देखा था ये.
Balls, you
बहुत
haven't.
वायरल वीडियो है.
बहुत वायरल वीडियो है.
मैंने देखा था.
Okay, since nobody gets this point, we are still tied at 1-1 as of now. Going into the fourth one, already Niladri के रोहन के खिलाफ one of the best ever performances में है ये. 3 वीडियो के बाद दोनों tied on
Kind
scores.
of insulting. I would not say
Okay,
much
now
about it, but
this
it's
is
kind
the
of
worst
insulting.
quality video that I have. Quality wise, मतलब it's very weird. So this is a sighting of a mythical beast.
Oh.
People who've claimed that they've sighted the mythical beast, and these are the video बहुत लंबा था. So video starts off with them showing broken trees and all of that in the forest, and then they lead up to this. उसके sightings में edit कर करके आपको दिखाए हैं इस वीडियो में.
Is the mythical beast over there?
Yes, that's what the video claims. पीछे बैकग्राउंड में देखो, दिख रहा है.
हाँ, दिख रहा है.
I have not asked a question.
Jeez.
Shit.
Big.
Zombie.
You're trying to spin me off. Huh?
All right, so this animal is, or this
वो
beast
question
is-
नहीं है.
Question नहीं है.
Bigfoot.
Do you agree with that?
Yeti, Schwarzkopf, whatever names are.
Yeti और Bigfoot एक ही है, अलग अलग
I know.
कॉन्टिनेंट
My
में उसके
second
क्या.
question was, what are the other names of this? Niladri answered the one which began with
ये तो
S.
मुझे भी पता था यार.
S.
Give it to me now, please.
No.
How the fuck is this, man?
Indian
This-
Army. Listen to my next.
Ah,
Indian
it's
Army
amazing.
put it up on Twitter with.
Wait!
If you don't give
No,
this
wait. You can't answer everything without giving Rohan a chance to answer.
All right.
Indian Army put up claimed that they have seen footprints of Yeti, right? Yeti Indian version को बोलते हैं. Related to this video. अच्छा, तो Yeti के जो footprints discover किए गए थे, Indian Army ने ऐसा claim किया था. वो किस साल में हुआ था? Write down your answer. Don't tell it to me.
2018.
All right, you.
2018.
तुम लोग 1-1 पे रहोगे. 2019 April 30th or
On
something.
Twitter, they put the pictures of the Yeti.
जब सवाल के अलावा
crossing-
सब सही बता देंगे नीला.
Yeah.
Indian
Okay.
Army was trolled mercilessly for claiming that these were footprints of Yeti. Scientists says no, they are not.
And also, there was another story which went after this Twitter thing that Yeti has a left, Yeti has a right, Yeti has a left, Yeti has a right. Now, people who are into, conspiracy theories, they said, hey, there's a left, but there's again a left over here. There was
And
a big...
that
but I'm
sense doesn't
sure...
make- then
but-
left मतलब क्या? He's hopping. He's one-legged Yeti.
No,
Hopscotch.
no, apparently...
Hopscotch.
Obviously. ब्लू
Very nice.
एटी के बाद फिर कहाँ मिनी हॉपस्कॉच.
Nice one, nice one.
Very nice. Goes with the Sasquatch
But-
one. All right, we'll move on to number 5 now. Don't answer before I ask you the question.
Fuck, it's crazy. Crazy.
Looks like a drone footage. Looks like a helicopter क्योंकि helicopter का sound है
Yeah.
पीछे. So helicopter footage.
It's a
and-
chopper with a night vision radar looking down below.
Fuck, but why doesn't chopper come down? That's what I.
नहीं उनका काम कम डाउन करके क्या करेंगे वो.
If they get shot, the chopper will go down, right? They
नहीं उनका
obviously.
काम होता है कि बाकी पुलिस वालों को बताना कि अभी इसकी पोजीशनिंग यहाँ पे है, यहाँ
वो
पे
भी
भागो,
है.
इस-
All right, if that's the case, what is happening in this video?
नहीं बस दो थियोरीज हैं.
So, yeah, go
हाँ,
for
कोई
it.
एक बताओ आप. क्या
मेरे को लगता है ये कोई चोरी हो रही है.
Chori is happening. So who are the people jumping over him and seemingly tearing him apart?
Look, it looks like
Who
this,
the fuck is like
this-
that
This guy.
Pissed at people who are stealing from.
ये या फिर ना ये एक्चुअली एडिटेड हो सकती है.
No,
पूरी
this is-
स्टेज हो सकती है. वाई बिकॉज जो गोलियों की जो वो था बहुत क्लियर आ रहा था. इतना क्लियर कैसे आएगा गोलियों का.
No, it'll come. Infrared will catch it like that.
नहीं.
Yeah, it will
If
catch it.
if the helicopter is too near to the scene, तब हो सकता है. नहीं तो
वो
आप
इतना
दूर से-
छोटा छोटा दिख रहा है वो और इतना नीट इतना क्लियर वो ट्रैजेक्टरी दिख रही है.
You don't know
I would
which
say edit.
you don't know which helicopter is all tracking this.
Alright, आप बोलो क्या है आपका theory?
So there's this guy running away, and there are 5 people of 6 people going after him.
Correct.
He's turning around and shooting his fucking AK-47 or his whatever MI-16, whatever he has, and he's shooting out. But they suddenly corner him. He disengages something which was with him. I don't know what that is. It could be something. It could be a baby. It could be anything. But fuck that. But when these guys converge on him, they all start to feel a little affected, and they get fucked. What did this guy carry with him? Was it radiation? Was
खून वून दिखा रहा है वहाँ
यार
पे.
वो ऐसा दिखा रहा है कि ऐसा हाथ वाथ या समथिंग कुछ
हाँ.
पकड़ के ऐसा कर रहा है आसमान में.
खून दिखा रहा है पूरा.
What are you saying that he's carrying a baby, he's discharging the baby and all?
I-
He gave birth.
or
Just a fetus came out.
no, I
And those were the doctors.
I know. I thought that was some sort of fucking kidnapping or child trafficking. Yeah.
What's the answer?
What, before I tell you that, what country is it occurring in? Oh, up, you write it? Write it? Dono write it?
He's written Gregory.
Germany.
Greg.
Oh, it's German? Oh, fuck
The
it.
country's name is Gregory.
Yeah.
What is your answer?
Turkey.
अच्छा अब दोनों ही गलत तो हैं ही, उसमें कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. ये एडिट वाला भी बहुत ना एडिट है, बट देयर आर ओनली 2 ऑप्शंस फॉर अ वीडियो, विद रियल है, एडिटेड है वगैरह करके. आपका तो गलत है ही, बट एडिट के लिए मैं तेरे को मार्क्स नहीं दूंगा इसमें.
0.5.
नो
0.1.
No. This is apparently a trailer of a video game called Stalker, which went viral and people started claiming that this is a zombie attack which was happening.
Nice,
But then
nice.
they found out later that this was a video of a trailer of a video game called Stalker, if I'm not wrong. And the language spoken there was Russian, apparently.
यार मैंने Russian लिख के छोड़ दिया यार.
आपके नकल कर रहे उसको कि ये
I wanted to say Russian, and then I said no,
मैंने बोला इससे
Polish.
पहले अभी जस्ट रशिया सोचा तो था रे छोड़ दे.
Oh, jeez.
यार मैंने इससे पहले रशिया लिखा था इसलिए नहीं
इससे
किया.
बहुत-
So इसीलिए वीडियो गेम इज फार फ्रॉम जस्ट बीइंग एडिटेड, तो इसीलिए मैंने
ठीक है.
आपको इसमें नंबर नहीं दिया. आफ्टर 5 यू स्टिल टाइड एट 1-1. Okay, the next video is different.
Yeah.
Next video is pretty different. Another viral video on internet. This is not eerie. There are no zombies in it. There is no ghosts in it. But okay, just watch the video. Number 6.
Yard in the Assyrian stairwell. Located in Building 7, one of the first structures put up when
एक second,
Arlington
हाँ.
made the
मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया था.
Here we are in the Assyrian stairwell. Located in Building 7, one of the first structures put up when RIT made the move from downtown Rochester to suburban Henrietta. The stairwell, designed by Filipino architect Rafael Nelson of Uganda, was built in 1968 and has been wowing RIT students ever since. One of the coolest things is bringing people here and watching them experience it for the first time. Today we are here with Rosie. Am I saying that correctly? Yeah. Okay. But what I want you to do is just walk up the stairs and wait for me on the next floor.
Just go up.
Go on up. There you go.
That's it?
That's it. Just keep walking. Get to the top. Rosie! What are you doing here?
All right, how is this happening? How is it happening?
It's an architectural.
ऊपर जा रहा है, इधर
It's an
आ रहा है।
architectural trick. I mean, it's not even a trick.
What is a trick? Architecture.
so
trick.
you
आप
have
लोग-
a
you give me
step-
your best explanation of how.
So this is how it is. You have a step going up.
Huh.
People are going up.
Huh.
You have a landing.
Huh.
Okay, and then you have a drop, and there's a step coming up. They keep going in the same path. It's just
हाँ, so
it's
if
just
there is a-
architecture.
if there is a drop तो उनको पता रहता है ना, ड्रॉप में तो इधर फ्लोर पे आते हैं वो नॉर्मल, फिर ऊपर जा रहे हैं. It's just they keep going up. That's what they showed in the video. कहाँ ड्रॉप दिखा आपको? वीडियो में लड़की को फॉलो तो किया पूरा.
Otherwise, there's just two buildings back to back, and they're doing it because this is an architectural trip, totally.
What architectural trip?
मैं बोलता हूँ ये कैमरा ट्रिक है, एडिटेड है,
ये कैसे एडिटेड है?
प्योरली एडिटेड है. क्यों नहीं कर सकते एडिट? आजकल तो एडिट में हर चीज़ एडिट कर सकते हैं. इसके दो ही एक्सप्लेनेशन है वैसे. इस वीडियो के सिर्फ दो एक्सप्लेनेशन है. दोनों में नीलाद्री सर का एक भी एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं आता. एक ये है एक ये है कि ये ट्विन है. ये जो बंदा है ना, ये ट्विन है. सुनो यार. बाकी सॉल्व हो गया. बाकी तो प्रॉब्लम.
ये ट्विन थ्योरी को इंटरनेट पर गलत भी प्रूफ किया. काफी लोगों ने बोला था कि ये ट्विन है, दिस इज फेक. उसको गलत प्रूफ किया गया कि बिकॉज नो टू ट्विन्स लुक एग्जैक्टली द सेम एंड साउंड अलाइक. नो टू ट्विन्स साउंड एंड
तो
लुक
बाकी फिर
एग्जैक्टली
तो क्लियर कैमरा एडिटेड है. क्लियर. और कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है इसकी. एडिटेड है.
Architectural trick.
100% एडिटेड है.
Niladri's love of conspiracy theories will pull him down in this game for sure. It is 1 point to Rohan. This is an edited video. काफी दिन तक इंटरनेट को कंफ्यूज किया था इसने, because they're taking a place name, they're taking an architecture's name, they're this and that, but it's an edited video. इंटरनेट पर लोगों ने disprove किया है
Good one, 2-1.
and yeah, and they're saying that all the actors, a lot of other people involved in this video. Vox Pop ले रहे हैं कि आपने सुना है आपके कैंपस में ऐसा है. लोग बोल रहे हैं नहीं ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं वगैरह. बाद में बहुत लोग आके ट्राई कर रहे हैं and all of that. Everybody is apparently acting in the video. They're saying these are one of the most stupendous acting that you have seen. The lady herself apparently is a film student. The internet found out.
Nice.
उसकी एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी थी.
बहुत सही थी.
Immediate. That's how you fake a reaction. कि एकदम से नीचे देख के नहीं गई कि.
But nicely done. Nicely done.
बहुत सही. So yes, it's 1 point to Rohan. I'm going to ask
2-1.
2-1.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask a question. Let's see if you guys know it or should I? Without marks, name of the stairwell. क्या बताया था वीडियो में?
Exterior stairwell.
नहीं, वो तो एक्सटीरियर नहीं, but it sounds like that. आपको
हाँ,
तो पता ही नहीं
मेरे
होगा.
को-
मेरे को पता था. रोहन जब second time रोक के किया ना, that's when I cancelled the question. Second time रोहन रोक के किया ना कि
साला
मैं
आराम
distract हो गया था.
Hmm.
When he stopped second time and then watched the video for the third time, मेरे को तभी पता हो गया था. That's why I cancelled the question.
You're checking out every fucking thing. What a fucking
It's
guy.
called Escherian stairwell.
Video number.
अच्छा, this is 10-15 second video. वीडियो के बैक में नोटिस करना क्या हो रहा
Video
है.
के
पीछे बैकग्राउंड में नोटिस करना rather क्या हो रहा है.
Okay.
It has got something to do with things I feel in your house.
लीक हो रहा है.
in my house.
लीक हो रहा होगा कुछ ना कुछ.
So for today's drink,
Oh!
That's like my house.
I like how the lady launched into.
Yeah, this is like my balcony.
भाई ये किससे एक्ट है यार.
ये फिर से दिखाओ यार.
इसीलिए मैं बोल नीलाद्री इस पर्दा इधर इट लुक्स लाइक दैट कभी कभी.
हाँ.
दिस लुक लाइक अ पर्सन इज देयर और समथिंग इज देयर.
Absolutely, man.
आपका पर्दा भी ऐसे ही करता है कभी कभी. But I liked how the lady launched herself कि I will punch the fuck out of the ghost. Alright, so इसमें देखो कुछ पूछने को है नहीं मेरे पास ज़्यादा. I will ask a Niladri-esque question. इसमें लड़की के कपड़े पर किस चीज़ का निशान था? टी-शर्ट पर. Alright, you go first, Rohan.
नीलाद्री से जाएंगे.
Same ही है ना?
Nike सिंबल.
अच्छा, आप?
Star.
The star is the right answer. It's not Nike. She had stars on her t-shirt.
Good, brother.
It's 2-2. It's not that you are ahead and
No,
beating
I'm
me.
just catching up.
बाबा 2-2 में इतना attitude यार.
नीलाद्री सर के लिए वही विन के बराबर.
It's like Zimbabwe taking the test match into the third day. And if अगर पहले में दोनों same
That's being racist, by the way.
No, that is based skill based.
Zimbabwe has got cricketers like Heat Streak, Andrew Fry.
That means I am
Yeah. So that doesn't mean you demean Zimbabwe.
How is that racist? How is that racist? If I say I don't like a particular footballer, that
I
doesn't
don't like
mean
America's cricket team.
that doesn't mean he's racist towards Americans. Randomly, Niladri makes you will be a good politician. You're basically like Donald Trump. Random accusation, random. Sir, ऐसा नहीं है वैसा था. Okay, just move on to the next line now.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's 2-2 now. We'll move on to video number 8.
The
and
final one.
The final one probably. Rohan has started hiding his face.
वो कैमरा मैन आया ना तो फिर तो ठीक है.
ये घोस्ट वीडियोस नहीं देख रहा है. These are real videos.
यार देखिए एडिट करो क्यों क्या.
Niladri is unfazed.
क्या बात कर रहा है यार? What the fuck are you talking about? Check this out. Jesus. Holy fuck.
हो गया ना? नहीं?
Jesus.
This is apparently a morgue के सामने. There are a lot of these creepy morgue videos.
ये
I didn't keep the other ones जहाँ
कोई
पर
किसी का कॉलेज
How did tell me something? Be truthful to us.
हाँ.
Who downloaded all these creepy videos? It can't be you.
It's I was working hard. That's why I came late to your place, not today.
And you're doing this from
During a daytime. As soon as it started turning dark.
बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे थे लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोग एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं बाय द वे.
You are underestimating.
आपने हमें इतना ब्रेव समझा उसके लिए धन्यवाद.
Let me tell you something. A lot of people said that if these guys, Rohan and Shayan, are doing this, that they're extremely fattu when they watch horror movies.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right.
Right.
There is
nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong with that. You're bang on. And if you want anything, you can definitely get some taste of cool stuff, or you subscribe, we'll give you a gift. How's that?
We will think. We
We'll
can't.
think. ऐसे promise नहीं करना.
हाँ,
बोल दे
it's
terms and conditions.
30,000
terms and conditions apply बोल के काट.
TNC
30,000 40,000 गिफ्ट्स दे रहे हैं हम लोग. Fucking घर वर बेच रहे हैं हम लोग अपना, क्योंकि नीलाद्री has made a promise. Imagine if this was legally enforceable. कार्ड लग गई सबकी. रास्ते पर जाकर मंदिर के सामने शूट कर रहे हैं. लोकेशन का पैसा नहीं हमारे पास. We'll give you a gift. सब्सक्राइब करो, घर दे रहे हैं हम लोग तुमको. अच्छा तो सो दिस इज क्या आप क्या बोल रहे हो? यू यूजिंग कोई कॉलेज का है?
मैं हाँ कि ये
नहीं, आपने बोला
edited
एडिट. आपने बोला एडिट है.
हाँ मैंने ये बोला कि मेरा पे एकदम pure.
ये एडिट है.
हाँ जी.
अच्छा आपको क्या लगता है ये?
I think it could be paranormal.
हाँ, so these are I don't have an explanation, I don't have the reality of this, but these are in the category of morgue videos. Internet thinks this is from a particular country. Which country is it? Write down your answer, please. Hey, Rohan. Hey.
Rohan.
What happened? I was thinking. Lost.
Oh, Niladri, without देखे आंसर दे दिया. Niladri, you go first.
Poland.
You?
India.
India is the right answer.
Don't celebrate with me. मेरी जीत enjoy मत करो. ये मेरी जीत
I'm
है.
always happy if anybody wins because I'm here only for the reaction.
So internet thinks this is from India.
Where the fuck is this in India? Which place in India?
Now the point is, as I said, internet thinks.
Because the security guard over here is fully dressed in black and black.
नहीं वो
Now-
कैमरा quality.
This is
Balls camera quality if you look
अगर
back.
ऐसा black है तो Illuminati का part होना चाहिए उतना black पहन के.
You won this because he says you won it. You really didn't win it. It's a false victory for you.
Nilati,
Remember
If
that.
that's
even if we
a,
abolish
see, we
this
have one
question-
more. We have one more. I can go for it.
It's unfair. Internet thinks is an assumption.
That is
Assumption is the mother of all fuck ups, and with based on that, we cannot.
The
give
question
him,
was, what
we
was the
cannot
assumption?
make
All
him
right.
as a winner. It's very simple.
Can we do this? There is a ninth one which I kept as an extra.
Go for it.
Can we go for the ninth one as
Yes, 2-2 the score.
Yeah.
Ninth one.
well? नहीं 2-2 नहीं.
2-2
3-2 नहीं.
कैसे
3-2 है ये.
How can it be 3-2 when this is
3-2
an
कैसे हो गया?
assumption?
3-1.
But this is not the right answer.
2-2
This
था.
no, this is not the
एक
right
second.
answer.
हाँ 3-2 correct.
3-2
This
था.
is not the right answer.
And how do you know?
Because you said internet assumes.
That's the question.
Internet thinks so. That's the question.
Think so. It's not confirmed that it's
Nilati
from
sir,
India.
ये real
It's,
life नहीं है.
it's absolutely
it's on record.
it's absolutely unfair on a basis of assumption if you're going to give him a point. If he wants, if
I-
he-
that
अभी
was
तो
the question.
एक सेकंड मैं रिवाइंड करना चाहूंगा. अभी तो तालियां मार के बोल रहे थे कि आई एम वेरी
हाँ.
हैप्पी इफ समवन एल्स विंस.
And-
आई एम जस्ट हियर टू रिएक्ट.
yeah, but then immediately he said the internet thinks.
वो पहले क्वेश्चन में भी बोला था.
नहीं.
अरे जबरदस्ती.
अच्छा.
Internet thinks this is from a particular country. Which country is it? Write down your answer, please.
वो पहले क्वेश्चन में भी बोला था.
नहीं. Yeah.
We will go to 3-2 because otherwise anyway video
You
में खत्म
can't give him this point because
मेरा ये point
it is not
अब आगे बढ़ते,
proven.
मैंने लगा
It
दिया
is
ना.
not shine. I have never cheated. I have never wanted to
Correct,
win.
but-
you, if you're going on a basis of assumption, it's unfair to give anybody, including me. If I said India, you're giving me that point. I'll say, hey man, that's an assumption.
यार
Fucking-
एक सेकंड
सवाल ये
मैंने
था
सवाल
कि-
के वक्त आपको पूछा भी था, बोला भी था which country is this according to the internet? That was my
According to
question.
the internet was
मैंने
the
सबसे
question.
पहले ही बोला था, आपको तभी बोल देना चाहिए था.
आप हार गए हो.
नहीं अगर आपको इतना लॉजिक पे प्रॉब्लम है आप तभी बोल सकते थे कि आई विल नॉट आंसर
हाँ.
बिकॉज इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेट.
Extra play करो.
आप सही होते तो घंटा नहीं बोलते आप.
हाँ.
Extra hold on. This video is the most eerie, the most scary. What are you writing?
Just ready. Yeah.
The most eerie, the most scary video that I've come across of all the videos that I've seen today. Whatever is happening in the video is absolutely unimaginable from my point of view. मेरे को वीडियो का जो ट्विस्ट था, I fucking couldn't imagine.
अरे अभी कुछ हुआ कहाँ है?
This guy comes out of the car and sits. The question for you is this answer. Niladri's answer will definitely involve UFOs. What do you think has happened in this after this point in the video?
वो क्या होता है? He picks up, मतलब वो एकदम से इतना पावरफुल हो जाता है. He picks up the cow, lifts the cow हवा में.
आपको क्या लगता है?
But the question is, the cows were standing away when the car reversed, and then the cow walks up to this guy who opens the door. Why would the cow walk up to the door? Obviously, it is walked up to the door because there is some amount of interest. Did this guy get a lost calf and place it over there? Did he get some food? Did he get something that the cow lost? I don't know. but there is something of the cow's interest that the cow actually came. Otherwise, the cow will
That's
not
not
come.
what I asked. मैं बोला कि वीडियो के बाद में क्या हुआ है. आप गाय उधर क्यों आ रही, उसका जवाब मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं बताऊं. That I can't ask you why did the cow
Question
come.
क्या है?
वीडियो में इसके बाद क्या होगा, ये क्वेश्चन है. आप सुन लेंगे नहीं क्वेश्चन, फिर बोलेंगे बाद में यू कांट डू इट.
क्या होगा तो assumption based answer है.
हाँ.
हम क्यों दें?
That you fucking you won that third point because of
No.
this improv,
If-
all that shit. It's a relationship there.
Favoring you. Anyway, हाँ.
The cow gets into the car.
And then they go for a long drive.
Okay, play 9.1.
तो आगे कर दूं?
नहीं, बस गाय आ गया. Gets into the car. He puts the gets into the car. That's what I said.
मैंने बोला लिफ्ट करता है.
No.
your answer is don't try to. So this is not eerie video at all. This is a video of thief stealing car,
Yeah.
where the cow was bundled into thief stealing a cow, where the cow was bundled into a car and driven
taken
off on a
away.
long drive.
So was I right?
Yes, you were.
3-3, brother.
You
It's a
get the
fucking
point.
tie.
अब कुछ नहीं, यही था मेरे पास टाइम
It
मेकर
is a
क्वेश्चन.
fucking tie.
For the
You
first
don't
time
win.
ever.
You don't win. You don't win.
यार, आपने गुमराह किया
You
है.
got it
Yes,
wrong.
मैंने
You
दोनों
got
को
it
गुमराह
wrong.
किया है. मैंने दोनों को गुमराह किया है. Because this video had nothing. I saw this video like, what the fuck is happening here? How are they?
No, you didn't win. You didn't win. You didn't win.
How are they randomly putting cows into a
अरे
car?
फिर उसका क्या करेंगे? हैम्पर का एक सवाल दे दो ना.
You.
Acha, if we have to select one winner, we'll go.
नहीं नहीं.
We have to select one winner since Niladri has the first time ever he's tied and he's been losing on a losing streak. I
ये
think
वो
this
क्या-
award
कौन सा अवार्ड होता है वो?
consolation.
Consolation award.
जो भी कहो, kicked your ass today. You just.
That is not.
You
that is
just.
not that.
You just.
Your
could- you just.
your bar for kicking ass is so low.
It was like Brazil and Italy, you know, playing football in a final, and you
No.
couldn't get the last goal to
It was Costa Rica and Brazil playing, and Costa Rica managed to draw, and that's why they're taking rounds of the whole football ground.
Do you think I was a fighter? Please comment, and before you comment, please do like our profiles and subscribe to this channel because it's a lot of fun. What am I winning?
We'll give it to Niladri.
हाँ.
So Niladri, you win officially. Idhar today's.
I just feel bad for you when you do that. Don't do
He's
it.
lost in glee. अच्छा इसको अंदर ही देना है. Niladri,
Yeah, okay, bro.
how do you feel?
I am okay.
You have
I
to
do not lose.
Unveil your gifts, Niladri.
Thank you so much.
Show it to the
and,
camera.
So we have some awesome chocolates.
ये दिखा
ये chocolates दिखा दो.
Immediately, Rohan doesn't give you the satisfaction of unboxing.
It's anger. It happened when.
But can we just at this point can we just cut to
when-
टेप लगा दिया वैक्सीन.
This is what the Clive Lloyd did. This is what
Clive Lloyd?
Clive Lloyd did to Kapil Dev, no? When Kapil Dev won the World Cup, he just put tape on Kapil Dev's chest. But I must tell you, great videos to react to because there were some of them are traps. Like you actually got sucked into it and then you said, oh shit, it's made make believe and all that. But fantastic. But something which is not a trap and it tastes very good is Taste of Cool.
Wow, nice.
And we've got cool.
Bamboo shoot pickle.
You work for Taste of Cool or something, Niladri? Is it your company that you've not
ड्राइव
been
थ्रू में अगर
telling?
कभी आए तो नीलाद्री से मिलेंगे वहाँ पे.
It's just नीलाद्री के कार में डिक्की में पूरा ड्राई फ्रूट, बैम्बू पिकल.
This is
नीलाद्री सर ऐसे जाते हैं मतलब पब्लिक प्लेस में. डिक्की खोल के दिखाते हैं. टेस्ट ऑफ कूर की टेस्ट ऑफ कूर.
He goes to his radio station like high class places, takes 3 parties and all of that. Cashew rock. Bamboo pickle, bamboo pickle.
good stuff. This is bamboo shoot pickle, and you can get all of this on
Out your nearest bamboo tree. No.
www.tasteofcool.com. So
Very nice.
go for it. This is mine. Enough of your chocolates. You're not gonna. Yeah.
I took one. Thank you so much.
Oh, you already without my permission.
Rohan gave it. He's eating it.
Yeah. This is mine. But yeah, great stuff. We don't know what we're gonna do next. Do suggest, like, comment and share.
मैं
as to
बोल दूँ
what-
सजेस्ट क्या करेंगे?
हाँ.
एनमी वीडियो बना दो भैया, एनवी कर दो.
No, Mufad and
Mufad
Krishna का-
versus हाँ. People are saying Mufad versus Krishna के वीडियो पे रिएक्ट कर दो, मैं अपना मूत पी लूंगा.
I put that up.
How is that?
इंटरेस्टिंग ऑफर है.
हाँ, बट ये क्या मैं कैसे एंजॉय करूंगा? आप अपना मूत पी रहे हो. पहली बात मत पियो. सेकंड मुझे क्या फायदा होगा? आप बोलो. क्या कर लूंगा मैं उसका ज्ञान का? People are
अगर
offered-
शायन का पियो तो फायदा होगा, फ्लश नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
King Rohan is so dirty. ची. पिछली बार आपके वीडियो पे बोला था, याद है कि your maid ran away from your house because somebody had not flushed. So she went and immediately peed in the garden like a
वो
dog
part मैंने
marking her
edit कर दिया.
territory.
That was my haunted house.
या वो
Oh,
part
अच्छा
मैंने edit
वो
कर
part edited out था. हाँ.
दिया. वो मैं वीडियो में नहीं था.
That was the house that I stayed, where my maid ran out into the garden and lifted a sari and urinated because she saw something scary in the
Yeah,
toilet.
that scary thing we all know what it was.
कुछ नहीं बोलने का है. Just do one thing. Please subscribe to us.
अरे बाप रे, कितनी बार
नहीं
सब्सक्राइब
यार,
करके
हाँ, लोग कर नहीं रहे हैं. जल्दी बोलो तो.
No,
बोलते रहो.
because at 50,000 subscribers we already have
50,000 हुआ क्या?
नहीं
36
36 पे हैं हम, और 14,000 हो जाएगा तो बिंदास हो जाएगा यार. We will be going with merchandise.
अरे?
You will also enjoy
क्या?
the merchandise,
ऐसा कुछ
everything.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ
चुपचाप
भी नहीं होगा.
रहो ना यार तुम लोग.
आप उनको झूठे बातें क्यों कर रहे हो?
झूठे बातें नहीं कर रहा यार. I'm just listen to me. Trust me. Have I ever lied to you?
Yeah,
Yes.
a lot of time.
Yes. Have I ever lied to you? Don't even have to complete that sentence. Have I ever Yes.
But great having this. Shine, fantastic videos. Really enjoyed it. Couple
ठीक
of
ठाक था बस.
couple of traps which I really like. It's Shine, whenever Shine
English.
hosts it, no, it's not very.
Now I don't feel
It's
bad.
not very good.
No, it's
Now I
not very
don't feel
straight.
bad to give you the. I think you were deserving winner.
Thank you so much.
You were deserving.
Thank you
आज
so
तो
much.
आपका 2 पॉइंट तो मैंने ऐसे ही काट लिया कि सैस्क्वॉच आपने पहले बोल दिया, उड़िया पहले बोल दिया.
Yeah.
नहीं तो आप तो आज बहुत आगे जाते हैं यार.
वो भी बंगाली कभी बोलता नहीं है, उड़िया पहला था. उड़िया पहला बोल दिया ना.
Stop having my prize.
All right, with that, we bid you goodbye. Actually, good night from us because it's what about 12.
12.
We're stopping exactly at 12 a.m. लास्ट 2 बार हम लोगों ने 12 बजे शूट किया था. कुछ अजीब घटनाएं हुई थी हमारे साथ. So we stop it now. We'll see you in the next video. Let's see who hosts it. All right, bye.
चलो बाय.
I think it was a good one.
No, see वाला नहीं था.
Future, cool canvas made a cross on your picture. Adding the colors, a red dot on you, bruh. Pulling the trigger, I'm ending your career. Bang.